In this video, we are going to revise about what we learned in the previous sections. Okay. First, we are going to revise about shapes. We are going to revise about shapes of 2D shapes. Let us learn the properties of 2D shapes. Okay. First, what is this? This is a stamp. Stamp. This stamp is in the shape of square. Look at here. It is the shape of square. Square shape. This stamp is in the shape of square. Square shape la irukku illaya? Square is a closed shape. Square has 4 sides. Square is a closed shape. Close aayirukku. Okay. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has 4 sides. It has 4 corner. Look at this. This is a corner. Okay. It has 4 corner. Square has 4 corners. Square has 4 corners. All the 4 sides are equal. In square, all the 4 sides are equal. Next, we will move on to a rectangle. Rectangle. What is this? This is a 50 rupees note. 50 rupees note is the shape of rectangle. Rectangle is a closed shape. It has 4 sides. Rectangle also a closed shape. Okay. Closed shape. It has 4 sides. Square madre rectangle ko 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle has 4 sides. It has 4 corner. Rectangle also has 4 corner. This is a corner, okay? Rectangle has 4 corners. Opposite sides are equal. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Look at this. This is the opposite sides. These are equal, okay? Opposite sides are equal. Next, we move on to triangle. Triangle. This is a traffic signal. You might have seen in the roadsides, okay? Traffic signal. Traffic signal is the shape of triangle. Traffic signal is the shape of triangle. Triangle shape la irukku traffic signal. Triangle is a closed shape. It has 3 sides. Triangle is a closed shape. It has 3 sides. Look at here. 1, 2, 3. Triangle has 3 sides. It has 3 corner. 3 corner. 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. Sides can be equal or unequal. Triangle oda sides equal avum irukum. It might be unequal also. Unequal avum irukkalam, equal avum irukkalam. Okay. Next, we are going to see about circle. 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 Look at here. This is a 5 rupees coin. Coin is in the shape of a circle. Neenga coin paathirukingla adu enna shape la irukum? Circle shape. Okay. Circle is a closed curve. Circle is a closed curve. Close panni irukum. Circle. Okay. Circle is a closed curve. நீங்க வீட்ல பாத்திருப்பீங்க மம்மி பேங்கிள்ஸ் எல்லாமே சர்க்கிள் ஷேப்ல தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே. Now we are going to see about comparison of numbers.
$70 is the biggest number. 20 the smallest number. Now Yalini is having the biggest number. Now, let us compare the numbers whose tens place are equal and ones place are different. 25, 23, 26. Here, all numbers has 2 tens. It differs only in ones place. Among 3, 5, 6. 6 is the biggest and 3 is the smallest. So, 26 is the biggest number and 23 is the smallest number. See the numbers here? 25, 31, 40. Here, both the ones place and tens place having different numbers. So, how your place value should be checked. It is enough to see the tens place. So, if we compare tens place, 2, 3, 4, 4 tens is the biggest and 2 tens is the smallest. So, 40 is the biggest number and 25 is the smallest number.
Next, we are going to see about ordering of numbers. We will move on to our book exercise. Look at your first sum. Count the given things and write there in the boxes. Arrange in ascending and descending orders. Count the given things and write them in the boxes. First, we want to count the number of pictures and after that we want to write the answers in the box. Okay? Look at here. Count the given things. First, we want to count the number of pictures. Write them in the boxes. After that, you want to write the answer in this box. Okay? Count the number of pictures and write the answer in this box. Next part is arrange in ascending and descending orders. After that, we want to arrange in ascending and descending orders. Okay? Question has two parts. First part is count the given things and write them in the boxes. Count the number of pictures and write the answer in the box. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Write the 13 in this box. Ma'am, I wrote already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 already I have wrote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Okay? After that, we are going to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. 13, 8, 10, 12. Arrange these numbers in ascending and descending orders. Okay? First, we are going to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order. After that, we are going to arrange in descending order. First, we are going to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order is arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. This 4 numbers, which is the smallest number? Look at here. In ascending order, we are going to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. 8 is the smallest number comparing to these 3 numbers. Okay? 8. First, we are going to write 8. In this 4 number, 8 is the smallest number. So, first we want to write 8 in the first box. Okay? 8 is the smallest number. You know already which is bigger number and which is smallest number? 8. Next, in this 3 numbers, which is the smallest number? 13, 10, 12. Which is the smallest number? 10. Very good. Next, 12, 13. Which is the smallest number? 12. Next, the last number is 30. 8, 10, 12, 13. The number is increasing. So, this is a ascending order. Numbers from smallest to biggest is the ascending order. Next, we are going to arrange these 4 numbers in descending order. Descending order is bigger to smaller. This 4 number, which is the bigger number? 13. This 3, 12 is the biggest number. Next, 10 and then 8. The number was decreasing. Look at here. The number from biggest to smallest is a descending order. பெரிய நம்பர்ல இருந்து சின்ன நம்பர் எழுதுறது is a descending order. Okay. Bigger to smaller is descending order. Ascending means smallest to biggest. Descending means biggest to smallest. Like this only we are going to do the second sum also. Okay. Count the given things. First count the number of books and write the answer in the box. Okay. After that we are going to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay. Like the first sum only we are going to do the second sum also. Next, write the following numbers in ascending and descending order. 4 number is given for you. You are going to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay. 9, 5, 7, 3. 4 number is given for you. We are going to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order and descending order. First we are going to arrange ascending order. 9, 5, 7, 3. Which is the smallest number? 3 is the smallest number. This 4, 3 is the smallest number. So write 3. Because ascending order is smallest to biggest. So first we want to write smallest number. 3, 5, 7, 9 is a ascending order. Next we are going to write a descending order. 9, 7, 5, 3. Descending order is bigger to smaller. So biggest to smaller we want to write. 9, 7, 5, 3. This 4 number 9, 7, 5, 3 is the descending order. Like this we are going to do the second and third sum. Okay, we will see the next topics in the next class. Bye, cuties. Take care.